Next, I'll be discussing Boolean operators, which are located here in this drop-down menu. The Boolean operators listed are AND, or not. These Boolean operators are also found in the database ProQuest. Now, what these operators do is help you refine your search when searching through the databases. The way that I like to describe them is as a calculator function. The database works very similarly to a calculator when using the Boolean operators, in that it's trying to calculate a result or an answer for you based on the combination of words and Boolean operators that you're using. So for example, because this is a keyword focused database, let's say I'm looking for obesity in teenagers. Okay, now the database, the way it works is it's looking for how articles are tagged, and articles are tagged by keywords. So the keywords that you use are very important. Now, let's say there are articles that are tagged with the word adolescence. Now, to you, adolescence might mean the same thing as teenagers, but to the database it doesn't. These are two completely different words. What you're telling the database is that you're okay with results giving you articles that mention both teenagers and adolescents. So yes, both of these words are okay. Now let's say you put the Boolean operator OR. That means you're okay if it only gives you teenagers, or you're okay if it only gives you adolescents in the results. If you choose not, then you're telling it, I only want teenagers. I don't want mention of the word adolescents. So basically, it's a rule that you're asking the database to follow. Now, these Boolean operators listed here as drop-down options are optional to use, as are these additional boxes. As you'll see, you can keep adding rows and rows of boxes if you want to, or you can just operate out of the first box. You don't have to use these at all. You can put and adolescents here. Same thing with using or not. You can do it all out of that first box. This is just to visually help you separate your terms. And we typically don't recommend using too many Boolean operators, because it will either give you too many results that aren't what you're looking for, or it will give you none. But this is the basic breakdown of how the Boolean operator works.